100 synonyms of most commonly used words starting with letter E. Early. Synonyms are premature, ahead of time, in advance. Example sentence: she arrived early for the meeting. Earn. Synonyms are gain, acquire, achieve. Example sentence: he worked hard to earn a promotion. Easy. Synonyms are simple, effortless, smooth. Example sentence: the task was easy to complete. Eat. Synonyms are consume, devour, ingest. Example sentence: she loves to eat ice cream in summer. Edge. Synonyms are border, rim, perimeter. Example sentence: the cliff had a sharp edge. Effective. Synonyms are efficient, productive, useful. Example sentence: the new software is more effective than the old one. Effort. Synonyms are attempt, struggle, endeavor. Example sentence: he put in a lot of effort to finish the project. Electric. Synonyms are powered, charged, wired. Example sentence: the electric car is more eco-friendly. Elegant. Synonyms are stylish, graceful, refined. Example sentence: the actress looked elegant in her dress. Element. Synonyms are component, factor, ingredient. Example sentence: creativity is an important element in art. Elevate. Synonyms are lift, raise, hoist. Example sentence: the new promotion will elevate his position in the company. Eliminate. Synonyms are remove, eradicate, exterminate. Example sentence: we need to eliminate the problem before it gets worse. Embarrass. Synonyms are humiliate, shame, disgrace. Example sentence: she was embarrassed when she fell in front of everyone. Emphasize. Synonyms are highlight, accentuate, stress. Example sentence: the teacher emphasized the importance of the topic. Employ. Synonyms are hire, recruit, engage. Example sentence: the company will employ new staff members soon. Empty. Synonyms are vacant, bare, void. Example sentence: the glass was empty, so she filled it with water. Enable. Synonyms are facilitate, allow, empower. Example sentence: the new technology will enable us to work faster. Encourage. Synonyms are motivate, inspire, support. Example sentence: the coach encouraged the players to give their best performance. End. Synonyms are finish, conclude, terminate. Example sentence: the party came to an end at midnight. Engage. Synonyms are involve, participate, occupy. Example sentence: she likes to engage in outdoor activities. Enjoy. Synonyms are appreciate, delight in, relish. Example sentence: I enjoy reading novels in my free time. Enlarge. Synonyms are expand, extend, magnify. Example sentence: we need to enlarge the image to see the details. Ensure. Synonyms are guarantee, secure, assure. Example sentence: double check to ensure that all the doors are locked. Enter. Synonyms are join, access, step in. Example sentence: she entered the room with a smile. Entire. Synonyms are whole, complete, total. Example sentence: I spent the entire day with my family. Environment. Synonyms are ecosystem, habitat, surroundings. Example sentence: the company is committed to protecting the environment. Equal. Synonyms are identical, same, even. Example sentence: all students are equal in the eyes of the teacher. Equip. Synonyms are furnish, supply, outfit. Example sentence: the company will equip its employees with new laptops. Error. Synonyms are mistake, fault, flaw. Example sentence: he realized his error after submitting the report. Escape. Synonyms are flee, run away, evade. Example sentence: the prisoner tried to escape from the jail. Estimate. Synonyms are approximation, calculation, evaluation. Example sentence: the contractor gave us an estimate for the renovation work. Evaluate. Synonyms are assess, analyze, judge. Example sentence: the teacher will evaluate the student's performance in the exam. Event. Synonyms are occasion, function, ceremony. Example sentence: the wedding was a grand event. Ever. Synonyms are always, constantly, continually. Example sentence: she will always be remembered for her kindness. Every. Synonyms are each, all, every single. Example sentence: every person has a unique talent. Evidence. Synonyms are proof, clue, testimony. Example sentence: the police found evidence that led to the arrest of the suspect. Evil. Synonyms are wicked, immoral, sinful. Example sentence: the villain in the movie was portrayed as an evil character. Exact. Synonyms are accurate, precise, correct. Example sentence: the answer needs to be exact in the math problem. Examine. Synonyms are inspect, scrutinize, investigate. Example sentence: the doctor will examine the patient thoroughly. Example. Synonyms are instance, sample, model. Example sentence: the teacher gave an example to explain the concept. Excellent. Synonyms are outstanding, superb, splendid. Example sentence: she received an excellent grade on her project. Accept. Synonyms are exclude, omit, leave out. Example sentence: everyone is coming to the party except John. Excite. Synonyms are stimulate, thrill, arouse. Example sentence: the news of her promotion excited her. Exclude. Synonyms are omit, eliminate, leave out. Example sentence: the invitation excludes children and pets. Exercise. Synonyms are workout, training, activity. Example sentence: she does daily exercise to keep herself fit. Exhaust. Synonyms are deplete, drain, wear out. Example sentence: he was exhausted after a long day at work. Expand. Synonyms are enlarge, extend, broaden. Example sentence: the company will expand its business overseas. Expect. Synonyms are anticipate, await, hope for. Example sentence: I expect the delivery to arrive on time. Experience. Synonyms are encounter, undergo, live through. Example sentence: she gained a lot of experience during her internship. Expert. Synonyms are specialist, professional, skilled. Example sentence: the doctor is an expert in his field. Explain. Synonyms are clarify, elaborate, interpret. Example sentence: the teacher will explain the lesson to the students. Explore. Synonyms are investigate, examine, survey. Example sentence: the travelers will explore the new city and its attractions. Express. Synonyms are convey, articulate, communicate. Example sentence: he expressed his gratitude to his friends. Extend. Synonyms are stretch, prolong, lengthen. Example sentence: we need to extend the deadline for the project. Extra. Synonyms are additional, supplementary, more. Example sentence: she ordered extra food for the party guests. Extreme. Synonyms are intense, severe, radical. Example sentence: the storm caused extreme damage to the town. Eye. Synonyms are watch, observe, survey. Example sentence: she kept an eye on her children while they played. Eager. Synonyms are enthusiastic, keen, zealous. Example sentence: the students were eager to start the new project. Earnest. Synonyms are sincere, genuine, honest. Example sentence: she made an earnest effort to resolve the issue. Easygoing. Synonyms are relaxed, calm, casual. Example sentence: he has an easygoing personality and gets along with everyone. Eccentric. Synonyms are unconventional, peculiar, quirky. Example sentence: the artist is known for her eccentric style. Eclectic. Synonyms are diverse, varied, wide-ranging. Example sentence: the museum has an eclectic collection of art and artifacts. Economic. Synonyms are financial, monetary, budgetary. Example sentence: the government is implementing economic reforms for the country. Edible. Synonyms are eatable, consumable, nourishing. Example sentence: the chef prepared an edible meal for the customers. Educate. Synonyms are teach, instruct, train. Example sentence: the school aims to educate the students in a holistic manner. Effective. Synonyms are efficient, productive, useful. Example sentence: the new software is more effective than the old one. Efficient. Synonyms are effective, productive, competent. Example sentence: the new system is more efficient in managing the data. Eject. Synonyms are expel, oust, force out. Example sentence: the pilot had to eject from the aircraft. Elaborate. Synonyms are detailed, intricate, complex. Example sentence: the design has an elaborate pattern and color scheme. Elegant. Synonyms are stylish, graceful, refined. Example sentence: the actress looked elegant in her dress. Elementary. Synonyms are basic, fundamental, simple. Example sentence: the course covers elementary concepts in computer programming. Embark. Synonyms are begin, start, launch. Example sentence: the company will embark on a new project soon. Embody. Synonyms are incorporate, represent, manifest. Example sentence: the statue embodies the essence of the artist's work. Embrace. Synonyms are hug, clasp, hold. Example sentence: she embraced her friend after a long time. Emerge. Synonyms are appear, arise, surface. Example sentence: the sun emerged from behind the clouds. Emphasize. Synonyms are highlight, accentuate, stress. Example sentence: the company emphasized the importance of the research data. Employ. Synonyms are hire, recruit, engage. Example sentence: the company will employ more staff for the new project. Enable. Synonyms are allow, permit, facilitate. Example sentence: the new software will enable the users to work more efficiently. Enact. Synonyms are pass, implement, legislate. Example sentence: the government will enact new laws to protect the environment. Encourage. Synonyms are motivate, inspire, stimulate. Example sentence: the teacher will encourage the students to participate in the competition. Endanger. Synonyms are threaten, jeopardize, risk. Example sentence: the storm could endanger the safety of the residents. endorse. Synonyms are support, approve, recommend. Example sentence: the celebrity will endorse the new product. Enhance. Synonyms are improve, augment, strengthen. Example sentence: the company will enhance its products with new features. Enjoy. Synonyms are appreciate, delight in, savor. Example sentence: she enjoys reading books in her free time. Enlarge. Synonyms are expand, increase, magnify. Example sentence: the company will enlarge its operations to other countries. Enlighten. Synonyms are inform, educate, instruct. Example sentence: the teacher will enlighten the students about the history of the country. Enrich. Synonyms are enhance, improve, augment. Example sentence: the new job will enrich her experience and knowledge. Ensure. Synonyms are guarantee, assure, secure. Example sentence: the company will ensure the quality of its products. Entertain. Synonyms are amuse, delight, engage. Example sentence: the show will entertain the audience with its music and dance. Enthusiasm. Synonyms are passion, zeal, energy. Example sentence: she showed great enthusiasm for the project. Entice. Synonyms are lure, tempt, attract. Example sentence: the offer was too good to resist and it enticed many customers. Entrance. Synonyms are entry, access, admission. Example sentence: the entrance to the building was guarded by security personnel. Envelop. Synonyms are cover, wrap, surround. Example sentence: the fog enveloped the entire city. Envy. Synonyms are jealousy, resentment, covetousness. Example sentence: she felt envy towards her colleague's success. Erode. Synonyms are wear away, corrode, deteriorate. Example sentence: the constant rainfall eroded the soil in the area. Erratic. Synonyms are unpredictable, inconsistent, unstable. Example sentence: the athlete's performance has been erratic in recent matches. Escape. Synonyms are flee, run away, evade. Example sentence: the prisoner tried to escape from the jail. Establish. Synonyms are set up, found, build. Example sentence: the company will establish a new branch in the city. Estimate. Synonyms are approximation, calculation, evaluation. Example sentence: the contractor gave us an estimate for the renovation work. Evaluate. Synonyms are assess, analyze, judge. Example sentence: the teacher will evaluate the student's performance in the exam.